inbox, mailboxes. She's not aware. I'm next to her. She's moving. She's not aware of pedestrian in front of her who tried to cross.
I'm used to it. See him texting. LV71 XL Porsche. What's up, phone screen? And hello there. Should you be doing that? I don't think you're meant to be WhatsApping on your phone there, my man.
You okay?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm very well.
I don't think you're meant to be using your phone. You lit up the screen, there was WhatsApp. Well, you closed it now, but unfortunately this has probably already caught it. In which case I'm reporting it to the police. They'll probably prosecute you.
What are you reporting for?
For you, for using your phone, you should not be doing that. It's very bad. Don't use your phone. I'm an idiot. I'm not the idiot using my phone behind the wheel of a car where everybody can see me. Silly twit. No point in talking to him any further.